The next topic is trying to find the particular solutions for non-homogeneous system. Okay. So non-homogeneous ODE to find particular solution. We talked about this before. We talk about undetermined coefficient variation of parameters to find the particular solution. Today we will talk about the same thing, but you use the matrix representation, so things become more state space representation format. The first method is still the undetermined coefficient. And you know that there is a particular preconditions to use this undetermined coefficient. First is it has to be simple enough function, such as exponential, sine, cosine, or polynomial, where the power of x has to be positive. Or it can be a linear combination of all these functions. And also for this part, the linear combination represent the constant coefficient for the forcing function. Okay, so those are the conditions for the forcing function. And if the forcing function is satisfy all these conditions, then we can use undetermined coefficient trying to find the particular solution. The second is called matrix diagonalization. And for here, it is more generalized compared to undetermined coefficient, that it has to be constant coefficient for the forcing function, but it can be general any functions, general forcing function. Okay. Then the third one is variation of parameter. So for the variation of parameter, things can be more complex. It can be variable coefficient, and it can be general forcing function. Okay, general forcing function. So you can see that depending on your forcing function, easy or hard, you can go through this three methods. Then the first method is the undetermined coefficient. We talked about this before. Just recall your memory that the general rule for the undetermined coefficient is that your particular solution will construct by the forcing function plus all its derivatives. Okay. Then there is a special rule. So if the forcing function has some terms, contains a term that includes an eigenvalue of A, then for the particular solution by P, you need to modify that. You need to modify that to be alpha x t plus z times e to the lambda t. Okay, e to the lambda t. So that is the general rule and the special rule, and we will make examples for this undetermined coefficient. Okay.